Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting software to make some animated videos absolutely for free. Most of the people are asking me that show us a very good animated software with which we can just make some animated videos absolutely for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you that particular software. Okay, so the link is there in the description. Go over there and download that software. Okay, so now let's get started and let me show you how you can make animated videos with the software. There is no limitation, but it has some less features as compared to any other softwares because it's for free. Okay, but you are getting that for free. That's the reason why you can start making money and start making your own animated videos with this software. Okay, so let's minimize that and let me show you what is that particular software. So that software is known as Video Maker FX. Okay, so this is that particular software. Okay, so let me type in some ID and some password. Okay, so okay, so this is the particular software which we are gonna use. So the first step is that you just need to create a project. Okay, just click on create project and then you can name it anything. For example, make money. Okay, so we just click on this create project. Then you just have to do is add some slides. Okay, so you can see you can add all the slides over here. This is corporate slides. You can see that over here. Then you can see this flat presentation slides. So there are many of them. Okay, so you can use any of them. Okay, so let's select this character Lisa. Okay, so this is the character Lisa. Okay, so we are gonna select and we are gonna add all slides. Okay, though, so all the slides are added over here. Okay, so now what you can do is that you can now edit this any of the slides, whichever slides you want to edit all by yourself. Okay, so all you need to do is click on this particular slides, and if you want to edit something, you just need to select this text area. Just replace this hi with hello. So you can see that this has been replaced. Okay, so we just clicked this, corrected this to hello, then this is hello. Let's make it I am Lisa. Okay, Lisa, Lisa. Okay, and then you can also edit this third text and you can add it in any way and you can replace it with anything. Make money. I'm just editing any random stuff. Okay, just understand that what you just have to do. Okay, okay, so you can see this has been edited. Okay, so now you can just directly jump to the second slide and then you can also edit that. Okay, so in this way you can edit all the text. Okay, so once your text has been edited, now the thing is that you can also change the background of the images. Just click on this images and you can change the background of this very particular images. Okay, so you can select any of the background whichever you want to add in this video. Okay, then there is a shapes option. So if you want to add some shapes and all that stuff, then you can also change the colors as well as all these things of the background if you want. Okay, so this is also option which is there for you. Now the third thing is that animation. Okay, so you can play around a little bit of animation. So you can see there are a bit more, 2 to 3 types of animations which are available in this software. Okay, so you can just play around them and just make it a bit pleasant. So you can see there are all these different animations which are available over here. So you can use those animations as you want. Okay, so you can see it looks really awesome. Okay, so in this way you can add those animations as well as then you, or if you need to add your audio. Okay, now the very important thing is that you just have to add your audio to this software. Okay, so you just have to click on over here and then you can just click on this record button. Now on this record button, you can record your audio for this particular slide. Okay, that's the only option which is available in which you can record your audios. Okay, and you can make your entire voiceover video just using this very simple software. And this is really amazing because not all people are using this software, and that's the reason why. And the best thing about this software is that it's available for free from the website which I have given the link in the description. So go to that website and you can get this software absolutely for free. Okay, so you can just download that, and all you can see that now you can preview your project over here, and you can see this project looks really awesome. Okay, so once you have done it, all the editing you have done yourself, all you need to do is click on this export project, give the name, select 720p HD and select this very good, because the maximum which you can export is 720p HD, so it's fine, and then you can just export this video. Okay, and then you can just edit that video into any other editor and mix it with your audio and all that stuff. Okay, and then you can start uploading this animated videos to your very own YouTube channel, and you can start making money with this, because a lot of people are making a ton of money just by making very simple animated videos on YouTube, and it's also a chance for you to make some awesome money. Once you all start earning some money with this, then you can upgrade to any of the paid software so that you can make even better videos. But for starting, this can be a really good and handful tool for you, which you can make with which you can make some awesome animated software. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.